What is going on, everybody? It is a nice breezy Saturday here in West Virginia, and I thought, I haven't done some creek fishing and some river fishing, so we're cranking out the old BFS setup, and we're gonna hit up the a creek here, relatively local, but it's just a little dingy. Just got to be safe when getting in the water. This is really muddy bank, but let's get fishing. I'm going to start out with a karashi and go from there. Ooh, this is soft, man. This is really soft stuff. I'm have to be really careful. Oh, man. We had some really bad storms come through here in West Virginia, so I'm not surprised that this bank is nothing but mud. Once I get into the stream, it'll be okay, but right now we're just sinking into this thing. Whew, feels good. Oh my God, that feels good. All right, I guess we just go ahead and start fishing. It looks really good. Oh, it feels weird casting this light stuff again. I've been doing nothing but kayak fishing, so I haven't really been BFS fishing, so it feels super weird. Water temp feels great though. It's definitely in the 70s. It's beautiful out today though. I couldn't help but getting away a little bit. I got a family in town, so I got something on here. Oh my gosh. Well, first fish of the day, a little shiner. What the heck? That's hilarious. He even got the front treble in there. I wonder if he's trying to spawn with this thing. First fish of the day, a little shiner. Look at that guy. What the heck? Didn't really expect that. I'm going for smallmouth, but I'm down for anything. Dang, I already got something else on here, dude. Oh my God, I got another shiner. What the heck is going on? Another shiner. Man, them things are slimy, but I mean, I'll take it, I guess. I mean, I'm just out here having fun. Those fish must be spawning, because there's no way they actually want to eat this. And they look exactly like this karashi. And this is the slow sinking model karashi, so I can kind of work it a little slow and let it do its thing. I think we got another shiner on here. Yep, this one's even bigger. What the heck, dude? I mean, live action up in here, but not what I want. Look at that guy. There we go. What we got? Dang, look at that guy. This is Shiner Central out here. Look at that one. That one's freaking fat. You know, I'm after smallmouth, but at least we're catching something. That one had a little bit more size to it. We've had some actually really nice weather here the past couple of days, like since the really bad storms. It's been about a week. So I kind of figured that most of the streams would be a little dingy, but not too bad, and I think I was right. And the freaking stream's crawfish population the last time I was here was insane, and it still looks like it's going strong. So, you know, all us fellas, we can throw on a little crawfish imitation and go to town. And we got another one. Dude, what the heck is up with these guys? I don't even know how they're getting hooked. I mean, this dude is literally skin hooked. I need to find the things that eat those. Which some of these areas aren't really that great for smallmouth to live in, because they actually the flow is not that great. Like right now, this flow is amazing. It's a great little stream, but it's kind of high up in this water, so it might not be ideal. All right, we are putting on arguably one of the most deadliest lures to fish con, the Rebel Crawl Crank. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna get this trimmed off and cast around in here a little bit and go from there. Some be able to stay in here, but I don't know. It's looking like a lot of the little fish have survived in here, so you'd think a bigger fish would be in here, which we could catch one out of this. This looks like something that could hold a fish. Oop, that was a little sunfish. Cause I mean, you'd think there'd be a fish in here. I don't know if that was fish or not. Yeah, there's some little fish right there. I want a big fish. The little cinematic shoots. Ooh, that was a good fish. That was a good fish. Ah, I missed him. I missed him. I switched to a little Usuri floating minnow. Try to catch this fish right here. I'm thinking with the way the hook's oriented on that little Rebel, I might have to switch them out and go back to treble hooks on that, because they're kind of getting fouled up. It might be too big for it. I might just have to switch out the hooks for a smaller diameter. Well, that was one bass confirmed to still be in here, so that's good. He was definitely in those rapids, so I feel like that's going to be something. Which this coming up is a really long hole. I might fish the back of it and then work my way up a little bit, because I don't exactly know if these fish are going to be out here. Well, we got another shiner. Back to the shiner game. Chill out, bro. I'll get you off there. Little shiner. There we go. What do we got? Woo! Finally, a micro bass. Look at that. What is this, a spot or a chill out, bro? Finally, dude. I think this is a spot. We got a spot. Little spot. Look at that guy. He's beautiful. Wow. Hope y'all can see that. Alright guys, that's probably going to be it for today. I'm supposed to take my little sister fishing tomorrow, so I only had a couple hours. They went out and did some stuff, so I am headed back to the truck. That was pretty uneventful, so definitely not fishing there with her tomorrow. And I guess I'll see you back tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Appreciate y'all for tuning in and all the support on the channels, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Helps me out a lot, and I love making content for y'all. So until then guys, fish on. There we go. That's a good bass. Good bass right there. Dude, I'm telling you, I got a freaking giant on here. Holy, oh my god, that's a good fish. That's a 5-pounder. Look at this freaking fish. Wow.